Ethiopia, a landlocked country in the Horn of Africa, is a tapestry woven from diverse landscapes and vibrant cultures. Towering mountains pierce the sky, their slopes carpeted in emerald green fields. Ancient rock-hewn churches stand as testaments to the country's rich history. The Great Rift Valley cuts through the land, a testament to the powerful forces that shape the region. Addis Ababa, the bustling capital city, pulsates with life. Modern buildings rise alongside traditional homes. The streets are a kaleidoscope of color and sound. The aroma of freshly brewed coffee wafts from countless cafes, beckoning passers-by to stop and savor a moment. Venture beyond the city limits, and the pace of life slows. Rural villages dot the countryside, their inhabitants living in harmony with the land. Cattle graze on rolling hills, their bells tinkling softly in the breeze. Farmers tend to their crops, their movements ancient and rhythmic. Ethiopia is a land of contrasts, where ancient traditions coexist with modern aspirations. It is a place where the past and present intertwine, creating a tapestry that is both captivating and inspiring. Ethiopia's beauty is undeniable. From the bustling streets of Addis Ababa to the tranquil shores of Lake Tana, the country's landscapes captivate the imagination. The Simien Mountains offer breathtaking views, while the Danakil Depression, one of the lowest and hottest places on Earth, presents an otherworldly spectacle. Ethiopia's natural beauty is a testament to its rich and diverse geography. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos on Ethiopian culture and traditions. Stay tuned for future updates. In the heart of Addis Ababa, young Ethiopians navigate the digital world with ease. Smartphones are ubiquitous, connecting people to each other and to the wider world. Co-working spaces and tech startups are springing up, fueled by a generation eager to embrace innovation. Yet, amidst this modern dynamism, the echoes of tradition resonate deeply. Families gather for meals, sharing injera, a spongy flatbread, and engaging in lively conversation. Elders are respected for their wisdom, their stories connecting the past to the present. In rural villages, the rhythm of life follows the cycles of nature. Farmers rise before dawn to tend to their livestock and fields. Women gather water from wells, their colorful dresses adding splashes of vibrancy to the landscape. Children play in the fields, their laughter echoing through the air. Despite the encroachment of modernity, traditional values remain strong in Ethiopia. Respect for elders, a strong work ethic, and a deep sense of community are all integral parts of the Ethiopian identity. The day begins early in many Ethiopian households with the aroma of freshly roasted coffee filling the air. The traditional coffee ceremony, an integral part of Ethiopian culture, is a time for socializing and bonding. As the day progresses, the streets come alive with activity, a blend of traditional commerce and modern enterprises. Street vendors sell spices and handcrafted goods, while internet cafes provide a glimpse into the digital world. Coffee, more than just a beverage in Ethiopia, is an integral part of the social fabric. The coffee ceremony, a ritualistic affair, is an expression of hospitality and respect. Green coffee beans are roasted over a charcoal brazier, filling the air with an intoxicating aroma. The roasted beans are then ground by hand and brewed in a traditional clay pot called a jabina. The hostess, adorned in a traditional white dress, gracefully pours the coffee into small, handleless cups. The first cup, known as abol, is always offered to the eldest guest as a sign of respect. The coffee is sipped slowly, its rich flavor savored. Conversation flows as easily as the coffee, covering topics ranging from family matters to current events. The coffee ceremony is a time for connection, for strengthening bonds, and for celebrating the simple pleasures of life. The coffee ceremony is not merely about consuming coffee, it's an art form, a social event, and a symbol of Ethiopian identity. The aroma of roasting beans, the rhythmic clinking of cups, and the shared moments of conversation create an atmosphere of warmth and hospitality that embodies the essence of Ethiopian culture. Ethiopia's healthcare system is a fascinating blend of traditional healing practices and modern medical advancements. In rural communities, traditional healers known as wogesha play a vital role in healthcare. They possess a wealth of knowledge about herbal remedies and traditional treatments passed down through generations. Herbs, roots, and other natural ingredients are used to treat a wide range of ailments. Traditional healers often act as counselors, providing spiritual guidance and support to their patients. The government has recognized the importance of traditional medicine, integrating it into the national healthcare system. Modern hospitals and clinics are being built in both urban and rural areas, providing access to advanced medical care. Medical professionals are working alongside traditional healers, bridging the gap between ancient wisdom and modern science. While modern medicine addresses immediate health concerns, traditional healing practices offer holistic wellness solutions. These practices, deeply rooted in Ethiopian culture, provide comfort, spiritual solace, and a sense of continuity with ancestral wisdom. The integration of both systems signifies a progressive approach to healthcare in Ethiopia. Section 5. Love and Marriage Traditions and Trends in Ethiopian Society. Marriage, a sacred institution in Ethiopia, is deeply rooted in tradition. Arranged marriages, where families play a significant role in choosing partners for their children, are still common, particularly in rural areas. These marriages are often seen as a union of families rather than just individuals. Love marriages, where couples choose their own partners, are becoming increasingly prevalent, especially in urban areas. Modern dating trends, influenced by globalization and technology, are also emerging. Ethiopian weddings are vibrant and joyous occasions, filled with music, dancing, and feasting. Traditional attire, often adorned with intricate embroidery, adds to the festive atmosphere. Families and friends gather to celebrate the union of the couple, showering them with blessings and well wishes. Despite the shift towards love marriages, the importance of family approval and involvement remains strong. This blend of traditional values and modern perspectives reflects the evolving dynamics of Ethiopian society, where respect for custom coexists with individual aspirations. Section 6. Festivals and Celebrations. Rhythms of Life in Ethiopia. Ethiopia, a land of vibrant festivals, celebrates its rich cultural heritage with enthusiasm. Timkat, the Ethiopian Epiphany, commemorates the baptism of Jesus Christ. It is a colorful spectacle, with priests adorned in ornate robes parading through the streets carrying replicas of the Ark of the Covenant. Meskel, another significant festival, celebrates the discovery of the true cross by Queen Helena in the 4th century. A massive bonfire is lit, symbolizing the light of faith, and people sing and dance around it. These festivals are not merely religious observances but also occasions for social gatherings and cultural expression. They bring communities together, strengthening social bonds and reinforcing a shared identity. The energy and enthusiasm during these festivals are infectious. The streets come alive with the sounds of traditional music, the rhythmic clapping of hands, and the joyous ululations of women. These celebrations offer a glimpse into the soul of Ethiopia, a country that embraces its heritage with passion and pride. Section 7. A tapestry of unity community values in Ethiopian culture. At the heart of Ethiopian culture lies a profound sense of community. Worognet, a concept that encompasses mutual assistance, cooperation, and social solidarity, is deeply ingrained in the Ethiopian psyche. Neighbors help each other, sharing resources and offering support during times of need. Community gatherings, whether for weddings, funerals, or religious ceremonies, reinforce social bonds and foster a sense of belonging. Respect for elders is paramount in Ethiopian culture. Elders are revered for their wisdom and experience, and their opinions carry significant weight within families and communities. Children are taught to honor their parents and grandparents, and family ties are strong and enduring. This spirit of togetherness is evident in everyday life. Whether sharing a meal, celebrating a milestone, or offering a helping hand, Ethiopians prioritize the well-being of their community. This deep-rooted sense of unity is a source of strength and resilience for the Ethiopian people. Section 8. Conclusion. The enduring spirit of Ethiopia. Ethiopia, a land of ancient history and vibrant culture, invites exploration and discovery. From its stunning landscapes to its warm and welcoming people, Ethiopia offers a unique and unforgettable experience. Embrace the aroma of freshly brewed coffee, immerse yourself in the rhythms of traditional music and dance, and witness the enduring spirit of community that defines Ethiopian culture. As you journey through this remarkable land, you will encounter a tapestry woven from tradition and modernity, from ancient wisdom and modern aspirations. Ethiopia's story is still being written, and it is a story that deserves to be heard and celebrated. Ethiopia's allure lies not just in its tangible beauty, but also in the intangible spirit of its people. Their resilience, their warmth, and their deep-rooted traditions leave a lasting impression on those fortunate enough to experience them. Ethiopia, a country of contrasts and complexities, offers a journey of discovery that lingers in the heart and mind long after one has left its shores. For more incredible journeys and stories, subscribe to the Globe Bit YouTube channel. Join us as we explore the world one story at a time.